this wee outfit for Thieves football. It's pouring the rain. Just got a pair of joggies on. I think they're from Misguided. New Balance. Top is Ego. I got a matching skirt with it at Christmas time. I think it was like 25 for the set. And these are the wee TikTok shop wee vest tops. So yeah, a nice Sunday morning to go and stand in the rain. I'm going to have my greens. Heat teaspoon. The best. Never said it was to rain today, so I'm quite shocked. Craig's home tomorrow, so the first thing on my list is to get this kitchen painted. Then I've got tons of stuff to be put in the wall, so yeah. I'm going to keep mixing this. Can't believe I've just drank 21 things. This is my outfit of the day. I'm gonna get salt. The umbrella. Happy Sunday. We'll link the greens and the wee cropped vest tops. The greens, if you're a bloater, I suggest you take them in the morning. Link will be below.